Hello, CryptoEd here, Monday the 20th of May, new Bitcoin update. Most of Europe has a festive day today, but I was doing a live stream for the group this morning. I thought, well, why not immediately do a YouTube update, because I do see some very interesting stuff. We had the bounce from the green box, making me assume that the correction is completed, and that we are actually very close to a break out of that bullish flag. For now we have 3 legs up like this. I expect that move towards 70,000, 69,200 maybe, 250. There is theoretically still a possibility that we do make that move after. If we do only have 3 legs up here and then come down, there is a possibility that we do have another move towards 50,000, which I think is not going to happen. I think we're going to build this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction and more up. That is what I think for the coming weeks, months, most likely. But on lower time frame, this is getting very interesting. Let's go to, this is the 4 hour. So we could here say also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the top, then come down, do a bit of correction and then up again. But if you look here, we do have 1, 2, and what I said looks like we already have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that is the case, I'm hoping for this move and then more upside. Other possibility here is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, but that this 5 is going to extend a bit more, a spike into the red box and then do a correction. And then we would have 1, 2, 3, then the 4 I just showed you before, and then 5. But that what I call nesting is very interesting. If this is 5, so if we do have here 1, 2, and that move, but we already have 5 in place here, and we do have this move now, 1 maybe to here and then up, that is kind of a preparation for much more upside. And let me go to the 1 hour chart. This is the week, the weekend range. So Friday we determined the top here. We took out that top this morning and came down. Was it this morning? Yesterday already, sorry. Yeah, I was away yesterday, AFK, so I didn't follow the price action very closely. But we do have here a bounce back into this supply zone, which is also the range here, range high. So if we do make this move, I think we have a very nice opportunity for that, to take out that previous low. If we have that move, we have an excellent opportunity here to look for longs. And now let's go back to what I showed you about that red box. If we have 1, 2 and 5 already in place here instead of here, it's called nesting. And let me explain it like here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 always, and such a leg is then also again divided in 5 up. And this is where we are right now, over here. That is possible. If we do a bit down and then 1 more up, then we are at 3, a bit down, that 4 which I showed you, and then a 5. And this is the red box. The alternative is if we, so we are now over here more or less. If we now already do make this move, we go to the right side, we do this, and then an acceleration to the upside. And you can see that this third leg will be much bigger then, because then you do this. And that is what I'm hoping for today. A bit more downside, at least a bit lower towards, let me show you, 64 more or less. That's what I'm hoping for. And take out that low. Or maybe, yeah, this one is a bit show, but it would be much better if we take out the low at 64 and then go up again. Then we would have a nesting of let me clean that. Then we would have 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a nice thing. And then the acceleration is usually quite strong, and then the third leg will be much bigger. Something nice to look forward to. And let's see if that happens today. And if not, then I would say we have a little bit more upside towards 70,000, a rejection at 70k, and then a correction and up. Still nothing wrong with that, but what I said, this move lower and then up would be a much stronger move. And let's see during the week where we are going. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.